Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon. So Polygon is now in support for this wave 2. There is no sign that this wave 2 correction is indeed over. We have a 5-wave move up, which I'm calling wave 1. It's at least possible. We had a couple of micro support areas that did lead to some nice reactions on the way up. I will remove these now from the chart because we don't need them anymore. And we can also remove some of the micro counts. That's not so helpful. We don't need them anymore. We want to keep the chart clean. So, I mean, this is now, where really the truth, we will learn the truth. I did mention in previous videos, this will be a very decisive week for cryptos because we had a first decent rally and an impulsive rally. And again, Bitcoin, if Bitcoin breaks a micro support or something, it doesn't matter so much in the grand scheme of things. But altcoins have maybe now the chance to start to hold a higher low, and they could start really the next piece of the or next part of the rally, right? They already showed us a nice rally last week, and some continued this week, but many are still just trying. Polygon, for example, formed the first micro 5-wave move up to the upside. So we need to see, a series of higher highs, higher lows, broke even above the previous highs. So we want to see if that pullback now holds a higher low. We're currently holding above the 50% retracement. I already posted earlier today on Discord that we are now in an area from where a bounce can occur, or let's say in an area for a possible reversal, but there hasn't really been any buy reaction yet, nothing major, nothing substantial. So we have no no indication really that a low has formed. This here might form, I don't know, a WXY or an ABC. It's a bit difficult to say. If it's an ABC, then the B wave was weak. It's not great. It could be rather a WXY. So maybe, WXY. And we're now moving down in an ABC like that. But the micro count isn't so helpful here. What really matters is that the bulls turn up before we break below 31.5 cents, because any break below that level is not invalidation. But it's the first signal that we get to invalidation. The invalidation point is very clear. It is the November low. It is this swing low, and the price reacted to this Fibonacci support level at 28.4 cents. We are holding way above it now. We are holding way above it. We just need to see if the market can now hold and react to this support area. This is the opportunity. If anybody's been watching for a pullback entry, I know now you again probably won't feel like buying. It's like it is what it is. And I'm not telling you to buy. I'm just telling you, look, this is this chart structure. It's still somewhat speculative because of Polygon's overall wave count, which we talked about in previous videos. But we have a first reversal signal, only the first 5-wave move up. We now need to hold a higher low. But this is the area where you can watch for a reversal. The levels are clear. 31.5 cents is the key risk level here. So the stop would need to sit either below that, or to rule out fake outs, the stop needs to sit below the November low for anybody who wants to trade a 1-2 setup, because it's very clear. I'm not telling you to do it, but it's from an Elliott wave point of view. This is how you would, based on Elliott wave trading, guidelines, you would trade it, because any break below that low from November is an invalidation. That doesn't mean it wouldn't go higher eventually. It could still in a new setup, but not in this 1-2 setup. It would be invalidated. So anybody who's trading 1-2 setup, here is one. At the moment, without any indication, things are turning around, but that can happen very quickly. Now, for a first indication that we are turning around to the upside, we need a break above that X wave high at 40.3 cents, 40.4 cents. That's the update about Polygon. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.